Hey guys, welcome back to Login Sign In, and today we're going to be looking at how to log in to your Hotmail account. And as you might already know, Hotmail has changed to Outlook, and if you try to go to hotmail.com, it will automatically redirect to Outlook. So let's go ahead and fire up our browser and type in www.hotmail.com and hit enter. Notice that you land on outlook.live.com, which is fine. And since you already have an account, just click on sign in. And in this box, type in the email address that you specified while creating your account and hit next. I do hope you remember your password. And check this great checkbox if you want to stay signed in your next session as well, and click on sign in. And there you go. It's as easy as that. So I hope this was useful, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.